Thanks for tuning into Stocks with Antonio. Today, Monday, the market was a little sideways. There was a little bit of a pullback, but some stocks still closed green. They still moved up. Now, it was expected for us to not have a massive green day because there was news coming out over the weekend with the United States and Iran. And we know that we have a lot of tension, right? So we'll definitely have to pay close attention to what's coming out with that. But in my opinion, I think in the last minute, we're going to get some positive news. And I think that's why you didn't see such a sell off. A lot of people weren't selling. Some people did, but I think a lot of people are holding and are expecting another bounce. This market, in my opinion, is bullish. And I think we are going to go higher before we see a pullback. Now, I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just sharing my opinion with you. I cannot tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. But there has been a stock that I've been talking about on this channel. And not too long ago, I made a video about Serve Robotics. If you didn't see that one, go ahead if you want and check it out. But Serve Robotics, ticker symbol SERV, was under $9. Now, a lot of videos, I was saying that I like Serve Robotics under 10. I didn't know it was going to go under 9. Obviously, under 9, I like it even more. But when I made the most recent video about Serve, it was under 9. I was saying, for myself at least, I see it as an opportunity to increase my shares. And that's exactly what I did because I believe Serve Robotics is going to go to the double digits of $10 and more. And it hit that number today. Monday, today, what day is it today? April. Oh wow, it's already April 20th. So the month is flying by. This year's already going by fast. But April 20th, we hit the $10 mark. Now, that's nothing new for Serve Robotics because Serve Robotics is past $10 a share before. It's gone above $15, but it's pulled back, and I saw as opportunity because their last earnings, they had, in my opinion, a pretty good earnings. The revenue was increasing. They announced a new partnership. They deployed more robots, right? And those are the things you want to see in a company that they're growing, revenue increasing, new partnership. That's exciting, good forward guidance. And now, May 20th, I think it's after market closes. Double check that. But their earnings are going to be coming out. So we definitely, especially if you're a long term investor, you want to pay close attention to the earnings that's going to come out in May because that will let us know, is this stock going to continue to go up? Does it have a bright future? Or is there some issues, right? So we want to pay close attention to that earnings. But till then, I believe the stock's going to move higher, meaning I think we're going to go past 10 before earnings. I think we might even get, depending on how the market's doing, we might go up to $11. Now, that's my prediction. I do have shares in Serve Robotics in case you're wondering, long term and short term. Now, my short term on this one, what I do is I buy on the pullback. Like recently, we've been, well, it's still pulled back, but even the deeper pullback, and I continue to increase my share count in my short position. As it goes up, there'll be a point where I'm happy with the profit, and that I'll sell before it pulls back. Right. That's the goal, and I plan to do in my short position. I plan to do that before earnings in case we get some news that doesn't look good because the small caps are riskier plays. But I do have a long-term position that I plan to hold through earnings, and I plan to hold a long time. I am bullish on Serve Robotics. I do believe Serve Robotics has a future, but I do play long-term and short-term, right? I have my long-term portfolio that I continue to DCA in, continue to grow good companies in there. But I also want to make money in the short term. Sometimes I buy the stocks and hold them. And when I say short term, I sell them within the year, right? Sometimes I'll scalp where I do an option for a call or put and I get it and out in minutes. So those are quick. And sometimes I'll do a swing trade, which is longer out. So I do different things when it comes to my short term, but all those things are happening within 12 months or less. That's why I call it short term trading. Obviously, scalping is day trading, where I'm getting in and out within the day. Scalping, I'm in and out within a few minutes, just looking for an opportunity to get some profit and get out. So I do all that to make money short term in the stock market. Started to do that last year. Want to be transparent with you. But long term, I've been investing in the stock market for over 10 years. So I've been around the market for a while when it comes to investing in the stock market, seen some different things. And I do believe that the stock market, it's a great tool to build wealth as long as you're investing in great assets. So you want to make sure the companies that you're investing in, you're staying on top of them, you're paying attention to the earnings. And if you're doing that and you see that you got good companies, then what I like to do is increase my share count in those good companies, right? So my wealth can continue to build up. But if you're bullish on Serve Robotics, let me know down in the comments below. Don't be shy. Let me know if you're bullish. If you are, smash a like on the video. If you enjoyed it, if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay up to date on the stocks that I'm buying, the stocks that I'm bullish on. That way you can check them out for yourself as well. So hit the subscribe button. Also, I got a description in the link box. If you're looking to learn more about the charts and things like that, check out that description box. I got some things on there that could be useful for you. But I appreciate your time, appreciate you watching. Smash the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.